everyone, my name is Rayona and welcome to my channel. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So this wig is from the Seg Saver store on Amazon. And normally at this point in the video, I would show you what came with the hair, but I accidentally deleted that footage. So just know that the wig also came with a pair of eyelashes, fake tattoos, 2 wig caps, and a thank you note. And the hair is soft. I didn't get much shedding as I ran my fingers through the wig or when I plucked it out to make it look bigger. And the wig is kinky curly hair, 22 inches and 180% density. The curls are also defined, but they look a little thin and I can see through them. The wig also smells like something was sprayed on the hair to mask the smell of it or to make it smell better. And it has a 4x4 transparent lace closure. And on the inside of the wig, you have combs, adjustable straps, and an elastic hairband. And now I'm just going to spray some water on the hair. While wetting the hair, I did get some shedding and felt the hair tingle a little bit, but that's to be expected with kinky curly hair. Then I applied this wig and weave mousse to the hair and worked it throughout the curls.
You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Can't twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist.
Next, I put on my wig cap and I have my hair braided straight back. I also let the wig dry a little before putting it on and adjusting it to my liking. I also made sure to cut the lace. This Maybelline foundation, color 360, and a small makeup brush were used to better blend the lace with my skin complexion. Also, I noticed the hair on the closure is way shorter than the rest of the wig. Then I used the Style Factor Edge Booster and my edge brush to create baby hair. Next, I use this hair wax stick to make the top of the wig look flatter. And lastly, I tied the wig down with a scarf. So, this is how the wig turned out. And I did not like how the front of the wig looked at all. The hair from the closure was too short for my liking and it didn't really blend that well with the rest of the wig. So I decided to do like a half up, half down hairstyle to hide the fact that the hair was uneven. I could have cut the hair and shaped it, but I didn't feel like doing all that. And I brought 2 pieces of hair out in the front of the wig. Then I did a medium size braid on one side of the wig, and I will also do this to the other side of the wig. So now I have 2 braids which will be connected and braided together. I also adjusted the hair to better hide the sides of the wig so it looks a little bit more natural. And I put some mousse on the 2 strands of the hair I left out in the front to better define them. Then I decided to add some hair joy to the braids. So this is the final look, and the wig was quick and easy to put on, and it's also glueless. I feel like I made the wig work, and I got compliments on it when I wore it out, but I didn't like the wig too much. The hair didn't seem full enough and it was a little see-through. I also didn't like how short the hair was on the closure, but let me know what you thought of this wig and if you'd wear it. Also, let me know what other hairstyles and videos you want to see from me. And as always, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.